In this video, I will walk you through how to delete your EpidemicSound account. Before we dive in, if you're enjoying what you see, please consider subscribing and giving us a thumbs up. Your support motivates us to keep delivering high-quality content. Anybody might want to delete the EpidemicSound account due to changing music needs, financial reasons, or dissatisfaction with the service. If you want to delete your EpidemicSound account, start by logging into your account on their official website. Once logged in, navigate to the Contact Us page, typically found in the site's footer or under the Help section. On that page, you will see a drop-down menu containing 6 options to select. From that menu, choose either My Account or Other, depending on the nature of your request. This selection will prompt additional fields to appear. In one of these fields, provide a brief explanation stating that you wish to delete your account and include a valid reason for your request. After that, fill out the next 2 fields with your credentials, like your name and the email address associated with your EpidemicSound account. Next, you'll see a verification step asking if your current email address is connected to your EpidemicSound account. Select the appropriate option that applies to you. If your current email matches the one linked to your account, proceed. If not, enter the correct email address in the provided field. Once all the required information is entered correctly, click on the Submit button to finalize your request for account deletion. This action will prompt EpidemicSound to process your request according to their policies. Following these steps ensures that your account deletion request is handled promptly and accurately by EpidemicSound's customer service team. That concludes today's session. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Also, visit MediaMagnetGuide.com for a wealth of tutorials and resources across different subjects.